Believer's Bible Commentary is a thorough yet easy-to-use Bible commentary, and it has been enhanced for use in the Bible Study app's resource guide. To find the Believer's Bible Commentary, open the split window, tap Open, and Resource Guide. The resource guide in the split window of the Bible Study app looks to the main text you are reading and pulls in relevant entries from titles downloaded to my device, including the Believer's Bible Commentary. As I move along within the Bible text, the resource guide keeps the content of the Believer's Bible Commentary in sync with my main window. To read that content, all I have to do is simply tap the book cover and tap the section I want to read. Verses in the Believer's Bible Commentary become hyperlinks that you can tap and access. The Believer's Bible Commentary also includes outlines, and introductions to every book of the Bible. While the Believer's Bible Commentary is best used in the resource guide, it can also be accessed as a standalone resource. Believer's Bible Commentary also includes much more content. This is available. Tap the Go To button, and navigate through the table of contents. As you can see, the Believer's Bible Commentary is an outstanding resource for Bible study. To find out more, visit us online at www.olivetree.com.